Hello everyone, this is Shane Neal with the Neal & Neal team at Keller Williams Realty. Wanted to shoot this video and include this into our blog as well and talk about the topic and the times that we are in and what we were doing as an organization to combat that and still drive the real estate industry forward. Below you'll see in the comment section, and we'll provide the links, ways that we were basically how we're handling buyer virtual tours and how we're on a whole virtual spectrum running people that are looking to purchase house, as well as putting properties on the market and the type of video stuff that we're integrating. Really, there's a whole process. It's not stopping us as an organization. It's making us pivot to more of a virtual aspect and provide that option to clients in scenarios that we need to provide that. So you'll see in this blog attached really kind of the benefits of that. It's really our ultimate goal is to do as much as we can virtually. While we can still look at the properties and are deemed essential, we're taking the precautions of mask, sanitizer, wiping off doorknobs, all of that stuff in order to do our part to make sure that everyone is safe in the transaction. But there are some things that we've done throughout the process that really take it virtually so that we don't have to have a whole lot of that interaction until we need to. So below, you're going to kind of see some write-ups on purchasing a house with us through a virtual option, as well as selling your home through a virtual option. So we hope you'll find that information needed. And like I said, we're all in this together, and we really look forward to getting through it all. And we are here for y'all. If y'all need anything, please reach out to us. Our direct information is below. And as most people have been doing, and we've been getting a lot of questions, a lot of people are requesting what is their home worth, where can we look to search for properties while we're at home. The links below are below as well, and you can check those out, post any questions, and feel free to search for a home or ask us what your home might be worth. So I appreciate y'all tuning into this. We really look forward to connecting with y'all. If y'all have any other further questions, do not hesitate. Talk to y'all soon.